What's up, you guys? Back here again in the TLB garage. I finally turned my phone the other way, guys, because some of you guys want to see this pretty ass face. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I finally turned the phone the other way. And yeah. So anyways, ooh, look at that Z, damn. Alright, today in the garage, we are gonna be working on the Honda N600. I've actually done quite a bit of work on it already. I haven't posted it, but then I just didn't have time to make the videos, but I've already done quite a bit on the car. The last video you guys saw of the N600 was me putting the engine cradle into the car, and it's gotten a lot of work done since then. Pretty close to pulling the engine cradle back out already, so that I can sandblast it and powder coat it, so that I can put it all back together and start doing all the wiring. But before all of that, probably gonna do paint first. So after this, I might do a little bit of body work and get it ready for paint, then start putting everything back together. That's gonna be probably a few weeks because of my time to fix the car. I don't have that much time. But anyways, let's get to showing you guys what I've done. But before I show you guys the roll cage that I made for the car, I'm gonna show you my shirt. Nyako Pa, she's worth it. TLB Garage. This is my Datsun 260Z over here, edition Nyako Pa shirt. If you want one, you gotta follow me on Instagram and just comment on one of my posts whenever I post it up about me reaching every 100 subs. So you guys help me get to more subs and I can give out more shirts. Thanks, guys. And then now back to the car. Before I show you the roll cage that I made, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm mounting the engine cradle into the car and what I built. What I did was build a subframe kind of deal. It's held up on 8 spots, 4 here, 4 in the back here, and it's welded to the frame down there. And pretty much all you do is unbolt all 8 and you just lift the car up and the whole thing just drops out just like a subframe. I made it simple and easy so I can access the engine a lot easier and work on it a lot easier. So this is the easiest way for me to gain access to the motor and areas that I need to work on. So I could mount the engine in and hook up all the lines, the exhaust, put everything in, and then just push it under the car and put it in, bolt it in, and I should be good. So that's basically it. It's nothing too, crazy. Bam, there it is. It's just a kit from eBay. Sorry for the mess, but it's just a kit from eBay. Some of it fits, but most of it's gonna be custom. And it's gonna look good, guys. It's gonna look good. Can't wait to put it in. So let's just get to it.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads. Beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now. Say there ain't no stopping now. No, there ain't no stopping now. There ain't no stopping now.
pretty much just used the whole kit from the kit. It's got a nice curve going from here and down, which won't interfere with the engine. The kit was a all-star performance kit, I believe that's what it was. I purchased it off of eBay. They also sell it at Summit or other websites, pretty much everywhere. It's meant to be custom made into your chassis, and that's what I did. So I didn't want to get overspray on the white. I wrapped the whole roll cage up so that when I get the inside painted and the car painted, it's not going to get on the roll cage. I removed the rear glass. That gave me more access to the inside and welding. My welds look crappy, but hey, they're pretty good actually for you know, a beginner, I guess. It's pretty darn strong. I think the whole car now, it's safer than it was before, because before the frame itself was just 2 pieces of 16th or 1/8 inch material metal going across to the back, but now it's got all of this metal thrown in here. I don't know if it's gonna be stronger, but it feels like it. Anyways, I made an X bar in the back, which looks pretty nice. I dig it. And then we go up to the inside. The clearance above is pretty close, which is really nice. Yeah, and I have this running across. This is where I'm going to run these seatbelt straps along here onto the seats I have. I'm going to do a bar from here to the front of the wheel well, or the back of the wheel well, I guess you could say, to add some support there. But I'm not going to do that yet because I have a lot of work to do up front. So I'm going to leave that open so I can access easily in and out. That's why this isn't painted and this isn't painted on that side. But yeah, that's basically the roll cage right here. Just gonna finish it up, finish up the welds and clean up the shop and start doing other stuff. All right guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the whole thing if you did, and thanks for checking it out. Stay tuned for other things to come to the Honda N600. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks guys. Check you guys out next time.